Should I buy or sell QQQ? The report for QQQ was first published on our website Friday, December 2, 2022, but this is a more detailed version. Subscribe, hit like and notification bell so you will be first to know when we post a new updated video. Since December 2, 2022, our system ranks QQQ as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -1.889. Over the next few days we will see how this evaluation performs. In our daily updates for QQQ, our last headline reads, weaker technical forecast for QQQ as ETF downgraded to sell candidate. The QQQ ETF price fell by -0.463% on the last day, Friday, December 2, 2022, from $293.83 to $292.47. During the last trading day, the ETF fluctuated 1.77% from a day low at $288.36 to a day high of $293.45. The price has been going up and down for this period, and there has been a 3.35% gain for the last 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 1 million shares but on falling prices. This may be an early warning and the risk will be increased slightly over the next couple of days. In total, 45 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $13.25 billion. In the last 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $404.58, and the lowest price was $254.26. Right now the price is 27.71%, or $112.11, below 52-week high, and 28.44%, or $116.24, below all-time high November 22, 2021, where the price hit $408.71. The ETF lies the upper part of a wide and falling trend in the short term, and this may normally pose a very good selling opportunity for the short-term trader as reaction back towards the lower part of the trend can be expected. A breakup at the top trend line at $293.71 will firstly indicate a slower falling rate, but may be the first sign of a trend shift. The current 3-month trend indicates a possible -2.47% change over the next 3 months, with a possible return between -13.93% and -2.06%. The 12-month trend indicates a -28.15% change over the next 12 months, with a possible return between -38.29% and -26.96%. This equals a price between $180.48 and $213.61 after a year. Analyst ratings and price targets. The following signals have been found for QQQ. The QQQ ETF holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, giving a positive forecast for the stock. Also, there is a general buy signal from the relation between the two signals where the short-term average is above the long-term average. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $287.95 and $278.26. A breakdown below any of these levels will issue sell signals. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. Some negative signals were issued as well, and these may have some influence on the near short-term development. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, December 1, 2022, and so far it has fallen -0.463%. Further fall is indicated until a new bottom pivot has been found. Volume rose on falling prices yesterday. This may be an early warning and the ETF should be followed more closely. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal 2 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 13 days ago. Short-term moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal 17 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 15 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 4 days ago. The long-term moving average, buy signal 3 days ago. The relation between the short and the long moving averages. Buy signal 62 days ago. Remember to go to our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk and stop loss for QQQ. QQQ finds support from accumulated volume at $283.56, and this level may hold a buying opportunity as an upwards reaction can be expected when the support is being tested. This ETF has average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the ETF moved $5.09 between high and low, or 1.77%. For the last week, the ETF has had daily average volatility of 2.17%. Let us have a look at some fundamental data you should be aware of before we tell you some possible good trading levels for QQQ. The price-to-earnings ratio, PE ratio, is the ratio for valuing a company that measures its current share price relative to its per-share earnings. QQQ currently has a price-earning ratio of 3.71. This is a relatively low price-to-earnings ratio and either signal a low expectation for the future of the company, or that the stock is undervalued and could indicate a buying opportunity. Here are some possible good day trading levels. On an upturn, QQQ meets first resistance at $293.05. If you do not hold QQQ shares, you should wait for this level to be broken before placing your bet. If you already have the stock, this is the level you may want to swing trade. On a downturn, QQQ finds first level of support at $283.56, and this is a natural place to put your bet if the support holds with an expectation of a rebound upwards. We hold a negative evaluation for this ETF, no stop loss set. Is QQQ ETF a buy? QQQ holds several negative signals, and we believe that it will still perform weakly in the next couple of days or weeks. We, therefore, hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. Due to some small weaknesses in the technical picture, we have downgraded our analysis conclusion for this ETF since the last evaluation from a buy to a sell candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements for the last trading day, our systems find that the current price is overvalued. For the trading on Monday 5th, we expect QQQ to open down -$1.04 and start trading at $291.43. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should speak with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decision upon StockInvest.us. By using the information, you agree and are held liable for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the ETF? Remember